Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add extensions to your Mihon app. So, first thing you have to do is actually to download or install your Mihon app. This is it. So once you open it up just like this, because you want extensions, you click on more like this and scroll down, you see your settings and you can see browse. So once you click on browse, you click on extension repos and you can see I have an extension here already. So how do you actually add this? You click on this add, you can see here, and stop. Then you go to your browser, any of your browsers, and you search for Mihon extensions, and you're going to see a lot of extensions you can actually use. So I've used this first one already, but let me show you how I used mine. So once you click on it just like this, you have to scroll down gently and you can see where it is written usage right there. So once you click reach here, you can see you can add our repos by visiting the website. So you can visit this website, this first one right here, and you can visit it and see more extensions you can use. Why, if you want to use this present one, you can just click on this, just copy up this particular link, click on it. Okay, you copy it and click on copy link text and it's copied. You go back to your Mihon app and you paste it and you have just included and added an extension. Very easy and simple. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. It's my next video. Bye.